Not meant to lose. Yo, G, go on this one page somebody real quick. Type in. Ready? Start. Alright, so I just want to say, this is Tabizzle Prime, and I want to say that Tina from the Met team is very fucked up, and Angie messed up also. Thank you. Thank you, Home Depot. Tabizzle Prime out. Mijeezas. You want to see it? I can leave.
If he doesn't,
I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do anything?
No,
Okay, so she's
Mom,
not a witness.
yeah, then he doesn't get a copy.
I just want to say that, like, I'm glad Tina stepping down because this place got messed up anyways with the Med team and stuff.
Let me take your phone.
Yeah, here's a phone.
You have personal things in your
All
life?
I can say, Tab Nation,
Huh?
I'm out of Home Depot now. I have rights to record if I want to record, you know. They just fire me.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, bro. Home Depot. I don't want to use aggressive language, but they're very fucked up. Alright? Manager behind me right now. Just fire Tabizzle Prime, bro. But that's just how it goes, you know what I mean? But Home Depot, they take advantage of us as employees and stuff. So if you have something to believe in yourself, say them behind us, sir. Home Depot fuck up. Alright? Big pussies them in here. You see me? So believe in I want to believe in it, you see me? I know I have all right to record if I want to record. You see? One of the biggest pussy up there, so too. Yeah, Home Depot just fire Tabizzle Prime, but I don't feel no way. Alright. I'll go home.